Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Review for You. Today, we're diving into the top 10 coolest gadgets for men you can find on Amazon. Whether you're shopping for yourself or looking for the perfect gift, these innovative products are sure to impress. So let's jump right in. First up is the Ovou Card, an incredible tool for sharing your contact information without the need for apps or complicated tech. Just tap this sleek card against a smartphone to instantly transfer your details. It's that simple. For iPhone users, just tap the card near the top of their device. Android users, center it on their phone. If you have an older iPhone, use the Popple QR code for easy sharing. Plus, with Popple's home screen and lock screen widgets, you can share your info instantly without even opening the app. Best of all, it's secure, no passwords needed, just your usernames and links. Perfect for networking on the go. Next, we've got the Oura Ring, a cutting-edge smart ring that tracks your sleep, activity, stress, and heart rate. It's a sleek, titanium ring that's light, durable, and water-resistant. What makes it stand out is its precision. The ring's sensors monitor over 20 biometrics right from your finger for the most accurate readings. Sync it with your favorite apps like Apple Health or Strava, and even use your HSA or FSA funds to purchase it. Ideal for anyone serious about health and fitness. Need an extra pair of hands? Check out these LED flashlight gloves. They're perfect for any handyman or outdoor enthusiast. These gloves have built-in LED lights to illuminate whatever you're working on. Made from elastic fabric with adjustable straps, they fit snugly without slipping. Plus, the replaceable batteries ensure you're always ready for action. A great gift for anyone who loves practical gadgets. Stay cool and on time with the LED USB clock fan. This fan not only keeps you cool, but also displays the time using LED lights on its blades. It's perfect for your desk or laptop setup. The flexible gooseneck lets you adjust the fan to any angle you need. Just plug it into any USB port and you're good to go. No need for additional drivers, just pure tech magic. Turn up the heat with the LED Flame Bluetooth speaker. This speaker combines stunning flame effects with impressive audio. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings with a Bluetooth range of about 32 feet. The 5-watt speaker delivers crisp highs and deep bass, and the flickering flame creates a cozy atmosphere. Plus, it's waterproof and comes with a pole for easy outdoor use. Great for parties or relaxing nights at home. The portable multi-tool Pliers is a must-have for any adventurer or DIY enthusiast. This versatile tool includes a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, and even a safety belt cutter. It's perfect for camping, home repairs, or emergency situations. With its durable stainless steel construction and included belt pouch, it's both practical and portable. A unique and thoughtful gift for anyone who loves gadgets. Say goodbye to shaker balls with the Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle. This bottle uses a patented Vortex design to blend your protein shakes seamlessly. Made from odor-resistant, BPA-free plastic, it's both durable and easy to clean. No more hassle with mixing inserts, just shake and go. Perfect for gym goers and athletes. Keep your essentials organized with this stylish phone docking station. Crafted from natural wood, this charging station is not only functional, but also a beautiful addition to any desk. It holds your phone, wallet, glasses, and more, all in one place. Its sturdy design and easy assembly make it a great gift for anyone looking to declutter their workspace. Introducing the waterproof lighter, a survival must-have for any outdoorsman. With its IP56 waterproof rating and USB rechargeability, this lighter is built to withstand the elements. It features a dual arc flame, making it reliable in any weather. The included paracord lanyard ensures you never lose it. Ideal for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. Last but not least, we have the Sunglass Holder for car. Made from faux leather, this stylish clip keeps your sunglasses secure and easily accessible. Its strong magnets and simple installation mean it won't scratch your visor or obstruct your view. Available in multiple colors, it's a practical and classy addition to any vehicle.